Conversations during lunch
Very effective.
can lead in any number of directions.
Same thing here.
But during the work week, it's hard not to talk shop. For the rookies of the Ohio Legislature, their most recent gathering was all about orientation.
I'm increasingly aware that there's a lot to learn and that there are a lot of good people around who are going to help me along the way.
Some have already spent years in politics. Others, like Mary Lightbody, devoted decades doing something completely different.
Although I've been a teacher for 26 years, I've lived in my district for 30 years, I grew up in Ohio, I didn't feel that I was doing enough to give back.
That sense of civic responsibility applies to judges as well.
We use phrases like separation of powers or checks and balances, but for me and now you, those phrases have real meaning.
Before they officially open their terms at the State House next month, Ohio Supreme Court Justice Judith French welcomed the recently elected representatives and senators at a luncheon held by the Ohio Legislative Service Commission.
So that really tells you in graphic detail where the power really is.
Justice French also explained the judiciary's dynamic in the governmental balance with Ohio's newest lawmakers.
In the end, my role as a justice is to interpret the words that you all are about to write and not second guess the work that you have done.
Along with answering any questions,
Can you just give us anything on that?
the justice informed the attendees about one of the biggest issues facing the state's legal system.
The sad truth is that Ohioans do not have equal access to civil justice in Ohio because they can't afford a lawyer.
And how these public servants can solve them by working together.
We appreciate your role as our partners as we bring justice to the people of Ohio.
I'm Chaba Sukos for Court News Ohio.